a video on these two vinegars that I made using the whey from some yogurt. It worked. I fermented them into alcohol, and then I left them with the lid off like that, and they eventually turned it into vinegar. It's probably about 6 months now. One is more vinegary than the other. I could do with some vinegar, but I need it certainly a lot stronger than that vinegar, and certainly a lot stronger than that vinegar, which is just not quite as strong. Needs another couple of months, but I need it now. And I think sometimes when you make vinegars, they're not as strong as you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce it. So I'm going to simmer it to evaporate off some of the liquid in it, and we'll be left with a more concentrated vinegar. So since this one is not as weak, we'll just pour it through a cloth to pick up any large bits of sediment, so it won't be too cloudy, and then we'll give it a boil and give it a reduce and see what happens. And then if we have to add that one to that one, that's what we'll do. But just a little bit of a faffy video. I have gently reduced it, so it was 750 millilitres. Let's just pour it into this container, and then we'll be able to see what we're taking it down to. So we have taken it down to, is that not remarkable? The camera's not picking that up. Oh, there we go. So we have taken it down to about 250, so a third of its original volume. Let's just give it a taste. Yes, that is sufficiently vinegary now. But there we go. So what was the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is to, if you've got some weak vinegar and you want to make it a bit stronger, you can give it a simmer in a pan and evaporate off some of that excess liquid and concentrate the vinegar flavour.